I get the question a lot, why 5:30? People say, is that your address? And the answer is no. People say, is that what time you close? And the answer is no. It's in honor of my dad, who passed away a few years ago. Where he grew up and where I grew up was mile marker 5:30 on the Ohio River. And so it's sort of an homage to him, and it's home. So that's how we got the name. I'm Erica, and I own 530 Home. We are a painted furniture and home decor store. We don't paint antiques, but we do buy older furniture, usually from the 1930s to around the 1990s. We carry two paint lines. We carry Miss Mustard Seeds milk paint, and we carry Jolie decorative paint, and we offer workshops for both of those. We have seasonal items. We also have gifts. We have a lot of Zionsville goodies and Indiana items. We have, a kind of a mixture of farmhouse, more antique, kind of, traditional items, lots of florals. I have a black thumb, and so I like to offer people fake florals because that's how I mainly function. I gotta say, I love, coming in here every day and knowing that this is what we built and working with the customers. I really enjoy being on Main Street. We have, the Brick Street. We have all sorts of different businesses. When we opened, it was kind of amazing, the reception that we got from the community, because there really wasn't anything like us here. And so, I feel really fortunate that we were so well received and people were so supportive of what we had to bring.